Going on, everyone? Got a 2022 Acura MDX here, and I'm going to show you how to open up the remote if you want to replace your battery. So the first thing you're going to do is remove the emergency key. There's a button at the bottom of the remote. It's going to push it, and you can pull the emergency key right out. And once we have it out, we're going to have the buttons facing down. We're going to remove this back panel with a flathead screwdriver. Notice here that there's a slot right here. We're going to put it in here. Just pry this piece up like that. Take the back panel off. There's your battery right there. And you can just pry it right out, and I'll show you what size the battery is. Battery size is going to be a CR2032, positive sign facing out towards us. We're going to stick this in the top of the remote first and then push it down until it clicks. If you need a battery, check the description box. I'll have a link to Amazon for a new battery, and the size will be listed there too, okay, just in case you didn't get it during the video. Get the back panel, stick it into the top first, click it down, lock it in. Emergency key goes back in, locks, and you're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you hit that like button for me. Leave me a comment, it'd be cool. Hope to see you again in another video.